Welcome back to. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're about to make some irresistible crunchy chocolate cookies. If you're a fan of chocolate and a satisfying crunch, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our delicious recipes. Let's go through the ingredients you'll need for these delectable cookies. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. Remember, it's important to have all the ingredients ready before starting the cookie making process. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, line your baking sheets with parchment paper. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Give it a good mix to ensure everything is well blended. In another bowl, cream together the softened unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is creamy and fluffy. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect cookie texture. Next, add the large egg and vanilla extract to the butter and sugar mixture. Stir it in until everything is well incorporated. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Mix until you have a smooth and cohesive cookie dough. It should be slightly thick and rich in chocolate flavor. Now, let's take our chocolate chips and gently fold them into the cookie dough. This is where the magic happens, the extra burst of chocolatey goodness. Using a spoon or a cookie scoop, drop portions of the dough onto your prepared baking sheets, making sure to space them a few inches apart. These cookies will spread while baking. Pop them in the preheated oven and bake for about 10-12 minutes, or until the edges are golden. Keep an eye on them, they can burn easily. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once they're cooled, grab a cookie and enjoy the satisfying crunch and rich chocolate flavor. And there you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for crunchy chocolate cookies. I hope you enjoyed making these as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cookie recipe. Until next time, happy baking!